We always try to remove darkness from our life. Guys, we have to know how we can remove darkness from our life. Guys, first of all, we need to know darkness doesn't remove without light. For example, in the night, the weather full of darkness, but when the sun is rising in the morning, that time the darkness removed. At the same way, when we can light or we can enlighten ourselves, that time our darkness will remove. Only we can remove darkness from our life by learning knowledge. So we have to educate ourselves every single moment, every single time. We have to proper utilize of our valuable time. Then we can imagine that our life became full of bright, clear light and also colorful life. So guys, no more longer. Thank you so much for watching my video. See again. Bye for now.